Namaste. Welcome to day 12 of Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Hi, I'm Sneha, the founder of Stress Less with Sneha J and the host of 21-day Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Subscribe to this challenge to get every single video for this challenge, and also register for this challenge in the description below so you can get these videos in your inbox. Today we are going to do a practice of mindfulness using an affirmation as our anchor throughout the meditation. So you can use any affirmation you like for this meditation. The affirmation that I am choosing today is I am financially abundant. And you can use that, or you can just say I'm abundant. You can say I'm happy, I'm joyous, I'm joyful, I'm happiness. Any affirmation that calls to you, you can use it for this meditation. So let's get started. Find a quiet space in front of you and sit down in this quiet space, or you can even decide to lie down and slowly close your eyes or lower your gaze. Make sure that you're comfortable and your back is straight. Slowly focus inwards. Notice your breath. A great way to notice your breath is to become aware of your nostrils. And notice the breath coming in and out of your nostrils. Now slowly let go of the awareness of your breath and move your attention to your heart space. You can also put your hands on your heart for this part. Notice any sense of worry, any tension. Notice any other emotions in this space. Breathe into your heart. Let go through your mouth. Breathe into your heart. And as you breathe out, let go of any worries, any tension, anything that is bothering you. One more breath into your heart space and out. Notice your heart space. Notice how calm and energizing this space is. And now slowly bring to your heart an affirmation that you chose before this meditation started. I'm using I financially abundant. And just say this to yourself loudly 10 times. I am financially abundant. And each time you say this, notice any emotions, any tensions in your body, and then use your breath to move these tensions out of your body. I am financially abundant. 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 Notice any tension, any stress that is caused because of saying this affirmation. Notice where you cannot feel this affirmation in your body. And breathe into that space and then breathe out. I am financially abundant. I am financially abundant. After you finish saying the affirmation and breathing in and out 10 times, just be in this space and notice what is going on in your heart space. Listen to your heart for anything that your heart wants to tell you. Listen for any messages, any beliefs, any programming that comes through. Bring your hands down. Slowly notice your fingers and toes. You can wiggle them if you like. And when you feel ready, you may open your eyes. You can move your neck. Stretch a little. And then just gently notice how you are feeling. Did a lot of stress move out of your body? Or did the affirmation cause stress inside of you? Notice how it felt throughout this meditation and notice how you're feeling about this affirmation after the meditation. And use this affirmation throughout the day to bring you back to your present moment. So sometimes we use breath, sometimes we use touch. In today's meditation, we realize that we use this affirmation as an anchor towards our meditation so that we can bring ourselves to our present moment. Anchors are placed so that they can remind us of the present moment. So this affirmation is an anchor that is placed in your heart today to remind you of the present moment and to remind you that you are abundant. If you like this video, share this with your friends and family, subscribe to this YouTube channel and register to get 21 days of mindfulness meditation challenge. The link is in the description below, and thank you so much again for watching. Namaste.